An island known for beauty, but hiding stories of war, industry, and mystery. In 1859, the United States and Britain nearly went to war over a pig. Empires built rival camps. Lighthouses guided sailors through deadly waters. Industry carved stone and fire into wealth, and in the woods above Roche Harbor, a family built one of Washington's strangest memorials. Long before borders, the Coast Salish peoples called this island home. Their stories still echo in the waters that surround and the land that makes up this island. Join us on San Juan Island as we continue searching for history.